The investment environment for African-founded technology businesses is growing, with hundreds of millions of dollars flowing into the market. Businesses in the financial services sector seem to be leading the charge. Our business reporter Kopano Kumbi has the story.
There is growing interest for the South African tech startup industry, which has managed to attract investments of over 5 billion rand in 2021.
What the continent is seeing, that as we're trying to think about moving Africa forward digitally, one of the first pieces of digitization, if you like, are payments and financial services across the board. So there's access issues. We have a vast number of people still on the continent unbanked, which is an opportunity and a challenge. And so how do we solve for that? And we've got a lot of fintechs in that space looking to try and solve that issue.
According to a report compiled by Disrupt Africa, the lion's share of investments and new businesses started in the last 5 years have been in the financial services sector. And while many startups see the opportunity, funding their ideas remains a challenge.
Usually, most high street lenders would look only at small businesses that make about 1 million in turnover plus, right? And I think right now on the platform, and kind of based on statistics, majority of small businesses are micro and small, and so not medium. And for the segment of micro and small businesses, and that probably constitutes 80 or 70% of the whole MSME segment, that's a huge portion of the population of SMEs that actually don't qualify by virtue of turnover alone, right?
Mokwena and team founded Akiba in 2017 after seeing the gap, and have helped many micro and small businesses access funding they would otherwise not qualify for.
For small businesses in particular, most of them, again, are told, you don't have enough collateral, you don't have a credit score. They deem to score the business owner, who in some cases, if they do have a bad credit score, that affects whether their business gets access to financing. And all of that and many other kind of structural issues need to first be addressed in order for these small businesses to be visible to these kind of high street lenders. And so our perspective is essentially using alternative data sets to create a new,
which is a jump from the previously recorded 19.